Look who's back! Back
Hi,
again!
guys.
Back again! Papa got you something.
Something.
Papa have a candle for you.
A candle?
You wanna see?
Candle.
Alright,
Candle?
go for it. Papa
You
carry back
can
some for you.
Candle. You're gonna love the candle. Hi guys, yeah, so I'm right now at the airport, going to Paris. Yeah, I was supposed to leave at first this morning at 6 a.m, then 11, then so many flight cancelled, so it's what? It's 11 and a half now, and still waiting, but at least have the boarding pass, have the time, so it should be 1 something for the next flight, so yeah, hopefully I'm gonna reach. It's just gonna be a disaster already because the time is already long time. So yeah, but at least hopefully I'm gonna reach on time. Well, not on time, but I will reach.
Hello.
Hi guys, so I'm at the restaurant right now, and this is Chinese restaurant. This is gonna be my dinner. Of course, I got some names. So yeah, I'm in Paris right now, enjoying life. Is after 9:30, and just having dinner now. Should have been a long day. A lot of problems with the flight, so yeah, trying to relax.
Well, hello there. Hi, Fizz. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. My Buffalo Queen. You guys, how are y'all doing? Waves popping in my hair this morning. Puff looking cute. Happy Friday, you guys. Happy Friday. I'm just here chilling. Just got all fresh and stuff and waiting to head out in a bit to take my sister-in-law to get her ride because she's leaving today. Babe got in early this morning just in time to get a little nap and head to work. Continued to have problem with his flight, so he didn't get in back until very late. So, but thank God he made it, and all went well. We didn't even get time to talk about how his session went and stuff like that. But anyway, baby's back, but he's off to work immediately. So yeah, I'm just here chilling, and I'm gonna drop Tyler at the daycare, and then I'm gonna head to work. It's still going to be a long day for me, and it has been raining for the past 2-3 days non-stop. Just raining, crazy raining outside, but we have to do what we have to do, and the work must go on. Sad that the sister-in-law is leaving today, but Tyler got to spend a good time with her, and that's really awesome. And he's here, of course, on his tablet. Tyler, can you say morning, Fizz? Tell Fizz what you're doing. What you doing? You're watching tablet. All right, sweet boy, they're watching tablet. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Make sure you guys get your workout in. Make sure you guys stay lovely and stay smiling and stay positive and stay motivated and all that good stuff. Let nobody, I mean nobody, steal your joy. Let nobody stop you from having a good day. It doesn't really matter what it is that you're going through. Don't let it show on your face. Keep it inside you. You know, most of the time people don't really need to know what you're going through. People don't have to know what you're going through unless you tell them what you're going through. because whatever you're going through don't have to reflect on to show on the outside. So with all that said, have a good day, stay smiling, stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. You guys, this rain has been falling for 2 days, and just now it's an outburst of sun as if there was no rain at all. Just when it's my sister-in-law's last day and we couldn't leave the house all for the 2 days she's been here. Yes? What happened? So she's leaving. What you say? I don't even need this jacket. I can't believe it. I don't even need this jacket. The way it's feel like it wasn't raining and it wasn't chilly, and this weather is crazy. Yes. Come. Hi. Tata leaving today, you know that, right? It's a cheese. Tata leaving. Tata au revoir. Dis tata au revoir, Tyler. Dis tata bisous. Bisous à tata. The tata bye. Yeah. Here. Go and put it in the little block. Go and put it in the thing right there. Go. Go. Go on. Go. Go, boo boo. Go put it in there. Ty. Sit there. He can sing. He can sing. More? You want to give him more? You want to give him more? Okay. Wait, when he starts to sing again, you're going to give him more. Tyler wants to give this guy all the money. He can sing. Look. Go, hold your hand. Wait. Go on. Go. Got my hands beating. What's going on with our beautiful mind? You like him? And I'm so look who's back! Back again! Back again! Papa got you something. Something. Papa have a cadeau for you.
A cadeau?
You wanna see?
Cadeau.
Alright, go for it. Papa carry back for you.
Cadeau.
Look at him.
Regarde maman. Regarde maman. Yes, it's not wrapped.
It's okay. Give him the bag. Give him the.
Allez, regarde maman. C'est quoi?
Papa trouvé.
Yeah, who is that?
This is a papa.
Which of the character is this? Who is that?
C'est pour Rookie.
Yeah, something else is in the bag. Look. Oh, honey, you did good.
Mama,
Yeah.
this is Michael.
Yeah. Papa got you Marcus and Rookie. How cute. Let Papa open it for you. Say, Papa, open it for me, please. Did you say thank you to Papa? Give Papa a kiss. Aww. Good job. They're cute. He's gonna love those.
That's all of the collection. I say, okay,
Aww.
let's take these two.
You guys, you see how Tyler cut me in my face? Slopes. It's burning so bad. I just cut his fingers before I sent him to bed. You guys, look at my hair. My hair needs to detangle, but it ain't happening tonight, y'all. You guys, it's only me. Listen to that. Quiet. Nobody's up. It's just 9 p.m. and baby's off to bed. He's so tired. He's so out of it. He's jet lagged from all that traveling. And he's really tired. So it's just me tonight coming to tell you guys thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for all the love that you guys has been sending babe on our previous vlog. If you guys haven't seen that vlog, go ahead and watch it so you guys would be clueless about what I'm talking about. It's a really good one. Yeah, so that's about it. Today was a long day. My sister-in-law has been back home. She called to let us know that she reached home. Tyler is off to bed, and I'm coming to sign out, you guys. Yeah, because they're all off to bed, so might as well I just chill. And I am going to have a glass of Bailey's. Since it's only me, might as well I have this Bailey's all by myself. They said I can do bad all by myself. Well, honey, I can definitely do bad all by myself, so I'm gonna have this Bailey's. Cheers to babe sleeping. Oh, that feels good. Oh, yes. I'm gonna have this Bailey's and then I am going to head to bed. I'm gonna chill for a while, just getting some me time in. No babe, no Tyler, it's all me. Sometimes you need some little you time, just you to just reflect and think, you know. But yeah, that's what's about up right now. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed this vlog. Just go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, be sure to do so before you leave. Join the fan bam, and comment down below and let us know how you guys are really enjoying our vlogs and stuff like that. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, catch up and keep up with the fan bam, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow. And I'm sure the real faves realize that there is no Jamaican and French expression tonight, but of course we'll be back tomorrow. Catch up and keep up. Bye guys.